So I'm going to give you a little demo of how to take a card payment using your Square card reader from your phone in the Pocket PA app. So the first thing that you want to do is clicking on the top right person button, and you'll see your profile, user profile pops out here. And you want to go down to the bottom where it says integrations, the very bottom menu. And if you click onto there, you've got three tabs: payment integration, Zoom integration, and Tax Scouts integration. So the first one is the payment integration for Square and Stripe. So you'll already need to be connected up. So that's a separate tutorial that we've got a help article from. But once you're connected up, you'll have this red button showing to show that you are connected to Square. And by pressing that, you would be disconnected. So you'll check that you're connected. Everything looks fine there. And then what you want to do is to press on the plus button in the top right next to your user profile, and you want to choose that you're going to make a sale. So you'll click on the sale, and once you click on that, it goes green, and then press anywhere below that on the screen just to get to this create payment area. So the first thing you need to do is to create your client or add your client in. So choose from your drop down menu or start typing them in. I've only got two for our test purposes. So we're going to sell something to Kylie. And then under your payment method, you'll choose from your drop down. Now you do need to make sure that you've got that set up and activated in your settings under your profile as well. So click on the card payment. And then what we're going to do next is you're going to choose what you're going to be selling. So down here, we've got some products listed already. And if you had a service with them, you could also select that. So we're going to choose a couple of pencils to be selling to Kylie. There's no discount that we're adding, but at the bottom, you'll see that we've got a £2 sale there. So the next thing that you want to do is you'll see there's a pay button with a green tick at the bottom. There's also one at the top. So either one will work. You're going to click on the green pay button and you'll get this little screen up saying process payment for the amount that you're going to be using your card payment reader for. So we've got £2 and we're going to take payment with Square app, which you'll already need to have installed in previously and set up. So you'll click on that button and it will ask you about opening it in Square. So press the open button and now you'll be taken into your native Square app. Again, it shows the amount of £2 and it says insert or tap to pay. So make sure your card reader switched on and you've got your Bluetooth all paired up. And what you need to do is you need to get your client to either insert their card, or if they've got contactless, they can just click on it, which is what I'm going to do. So you'll get that little sound and that'll be approved. And then you've got the option to be able to send a receipt by email, text message, or no receipt. So I'm going to click no receipt and then it will say thanks. And then it will automatically take you back into Pocket PA, which is where we're at now. And it will give you a confirmation success message that you've created that sale successfully. And you'll be brought into the income screen here just to show that you've had that successfully made. And you'll notice that there's 4 tabs at the bottom: appointments, sales, standalone payments, and summary. So if we click on the summary, you'll see there that we've got a £2 payment made with the card reader to Kylie Minogue on today's date. And so that's all successfully added into your Pocket PA app. And the Square fees will also have been logged directly into your business expenses for you. We can have a quick look there under expenses. And you'll see that's transaction fee and bank charges has been put in, and that's all registered directly straight from Square. So it's a complete all-in-one system to be able to take card reader payments and have your income and your expenses all logged all in one place. So I hope that's helpful for you.